Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Implementing T-SQL Table Variables in Python using pyodbc. Introduction. In this tutorial, we will explore how to implement T-SQL Table Variables in Python using the pyodbc library. T-SQL Table Variables provide a way to store and manipulate data in a tabular form within a stored procedure or a batch of T-SQL statements. We will use pyodbc to connect to a SQL Server database and execute T-SQL commands that involve table variables. Prerequisites. Step 1. Install pyodbc. If you haven't installed pyodbc yet, you can do so by running the following command in your terminal or command prompt. Step 2. Import necessary modules. Create a Python script and import the required modules. Step 3. Connect to the SQL Server database. Use the pyodbc library to establish a connection to your SQL Server database. Replace the placeholders with your database connection details. Step 4. Create a T-SQL table variable. Define a T-SQL table variable and insert data into it. Step 5. Retrieve and display data from the table variable. Query the table variable and display the results. Step 6. Close the connection. Don't forget to close the connection when you're done. Conclusion. In this tutorial, you learned how to implement T-SQL table variables in Python using the pyodbc library. This can be useful when you need to interact with SQL Server databases and work with table variables in your T-SQL scripts. Feel free to adapt and expand upon this example based on your specific use case. ChatGPT.